Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we re-diving into a topic that is super important, but often overlooked. How what we eat impacts our lives in the bedroom. We all want to feel our best, full of energy and vitality, right? Well, your diet plays a massive role in that, especially for men's health and vigor. We're going to uncover 5 common eating habits that might be unintentionally sabotaging your romantic life. The good news is, they're all fixable. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to make simple, powerful changes. So, grab a glass of water, get comfortable, and let's talk about how to fuel your body for better performance in all areas of life. First up, let's talk about something many of us love: processed foods. I'm talking about those convenient meals, sugary snacks, and fast food favorites. While they might be a quick fix for hunger, they're often packed with unhealthy trans fats, excessive sodium, and refined sugars. Think of it this way: your body is like a high-performance engine. Would you put low-grade fuel in a sports car? Of course not. These processed items can lead to inflammation and poor circulation. Good blood flow is absolutely critical for men's sexual function. So when your arteries are struggling, it can directly impact performance and stamina. Over time, a diet high in these foods can contribute to weight gain and heart issues, which are major roadblocks to a healthy and active romantic life. The key isn't to be perfect, but to start swapping out one processed snack for a piece of fruit or a handful of nuts. Small changes make a huge difference. Next on our list is going overboard with sugar. We're not just talking about candy and soda. Sugar hides in so many things we eat daily, like sauces, bread, and even so-called healthy yogurts. When you consume a lot of sugar, your body releases insulin to manage it. Constantly high insulin levels can mess with your hormones, specifically by lowering testosterone. Testosterone is the primary male hormone, and it's the main driver of libido, energy, and muscle mass. When those levels dip, it's natural to feel less interested and less energetic in intimate situations. This creates a cycle. You feel tired. You reach for a sugary snack for a quick energy boost. Your hormones get thrown off even more, and you feel even more sluggish later. It's a real energy trap. Cutting back on added sugars can help stabilize your energy levels and support healthy hormone balance, which is a game changer for your overall vitality. Let's move on to the third habit: not eating enough healthy fats. For decades, fat was made out to be the enemy, but that's a huge misconception. We're not talking about the trans fats in fried foods. We're talking about the good stuff: monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. You find these in foods like avocados, olive oil, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish like salmon. Why are they so important? Well, your body actually needs dietary fat to produce hormones, including testosterone. If your diet is too low in these essential fats, your hormone production line can slow down. Think of healthy fats as the essential building blocks for your body's most important chemical messengers. Without them, communication within your body breaks down, affecting everything from your mood to your libido. So don't be afraid of fats. Adding half an avocado to your salad or snacking on some almonds is a simple and delicious way to support your hormonal health and, in turn, your romantic life. The fourth habit we need to address is excessive alcohol consumption. Now, a glass of wine or a beer with friends can be a great way to relax and socialize. However, when a glass regularly turns into several, it can start causing problems. Alcohol is a depressant, which means it slows down your central nervous system. In the short term, this can interfere with the signals your brain sends to the rest of your body, making it difficult to achieve and maintain arousal. But the long-term effects are even more concerning. Chronic heavy drinking can damage the liver, which plays a crucial role in regulating hormones. It can also directly lower testosterone levels and shrink testicular tissue over time. This isn't about giving up alcohol completely if you enjoy it. It's about moderation. Being mindful of how much you're re-drinking and ensuring you have alcohol-free days can protect your long-term health and ensure your body is ready for action when the moment is right. Finally, let's talk about the fifth habit: ignoring your micronutrients. We often focus on the big stuff: carbs, proteins, and fats, but we forget about the tiny but mighty vitamins and minerals. Two key players for men's sexual health are zinc and vitamin D. Zinc is absolutely essential for producing testosterone and maintaining healthy sperm. You can find it in foods like oysters, beef, pumpkin seeds, and lentils. Many men are deficient in zinc without even realizing it. Similarly, vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin, functions like a hormone in the body and is also linked to healthy testosterone levels. If you live somewhere with long winters or spend most of your time indoors, you might not be getting enough. A simple blood test can check your levels. Ensuring your diet is rich in a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables is the best way to cover your micronutrient basis. It's not about popping a million pills. It's about eating a diverse, whole foods diet to give your body all the tools it needs to thrive. So to recap, the 5 habits we discussed are: relying too heavily on processed foods, consuming too much sugar, avoiding healthy fats, drinking alcohol in excess, and neglecting key micronutrients like zinc and vitamin D. The common thread here is that all of these habits disrupt the key systems your body relies on for optimal sexual health: your circulation and your hormone balance. The beauty of this is that you are in complete control. You don't need a drastic overnight diet overhaul. Start by making one small, manageable change. Maybe this week, you swap your afternoon soda for sparkling water with a squeeze of lemon. Or maybe you add a side of steamed broccoli to your dinner. These small, consistent efforts build on each other, leading to big results in your energy, mood, and yes, your performance in the bedroom. It's all about nourishing your body so it can function at its absolute best. Your health is your greatest asset, and taking care of it pays off in every single aspect of your life. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you found this information helpful and empowering. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our future videos on health, wellness, and living your best life. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Have you tried making any of these dietary changes? What has your experience been? Let's support each other on this journey. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.